Hi, I'm Chris. And now that we know the basics about properties, let's look at how to add new properties and how to create properties. So to add a property to any node, just click on Add Property. There, you'll have a long list of all of your different properties. As you can see, the list is separated into two parts. One is the properties that you've used in this specific workspace that you're in, and the second are the list of all of the properties, regardless of what workspace they've been used in. So before we dive into the list of my properties, let's look at what type of properties a user can create right now. So if you go on Create New Property, you'll see that there's 14 different types of properties. So in a separate video, I'll dive into what are each of these properties and what they mean and what can be done. But for time's sake here, what you do to create a new property, just click on the type of property you want. So for example, in this case, I want to create a new currency property. And once I've picked the type, I then choose the name, how to name that property. In this case, I'm going to call it budget. So here I'm creating a property named budget of type currency. Once I've created it, then I add the value to this specific node. So I'm saying, okay, the budget for restaurants is 500 euros. As you can see below, I can then choose any type of currency. We're little by little adding more and more currencies. So let us know if there's any specific currencies that would be important for you, or just put it by default, which is any currency. Once saved, as you can see, it is added underneath. Ignore this might have been a little bug. It is added underneath here. Then if I want to edit it or anything, I'll just click on it and I can edit the value. In the next video, I'll look at what are all the different types of properties and what each of them are for.